It's here. Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my welcome package from SpeedCubeShop.com. I'm just way too excited for this, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so the first thing I see as I open up this package is this SpeedCubeShop mini mat. This is honestly a lot smaller than I expected, and yep, overall it looks really nice in the flesh, and I'm definitely going to be switching to this as my main mat. Alright, so the next thing I see is this SpeedCubeShop cube cover, and this looks really nice as well. However, people have told me that it's a pain to assemble, so I'm not going to try and assemble it in this video. Alright, so the next thing I see are these three SpeedCubeShop bags. They feel really nice and really high quality. Actually, one thing I used to carry in these back when we had competitions was actually my power bank, because I had no other place to put it. And yep, other than cubes, this is a good place to keep power banks, I guess. Alright, so the next thing I see are a bunch of SCS logos for my cube. They look pretty nice and I will be applying them to my cubes very soon. The next thing I see are a few of these cube stands, and they also look really nice. Here we have Unicube, Supernova, Cosmic, Supernova, Unicube, SCS, SpeedCubeShop, and here we've got SpeedCubeShop and probably some SCS logos. Alright, so the next things I see are the 10 ml Ultimate Loop bundle. So here we have Galaxy, here we have Nebula, here we have Stardust. For some reason, a lot of people are very interested to see how this loop performs, so I will be testing it out soon. Here we have, this is Comet, this is Lunar, this is Martian, my personal favorite, and here we've got Cosmos. We've also got the SCS business card with some information on Cosmos. Alright, and the last thing we've got here is the GAN Skewb Enhanced. I've been really wanting this for a very long time because a lot of people say that it's much better than the Aoyan. So yep, let's just go ahead and unbox it and try it out. Alright, so here we've got the Skewb, and let's check out the accessories. I haven't opened a GAN cube in a very long time. I haven't bought any, so yep. Let's just go ahead and open this up. So we've got this GAN bag, we've got this tension nuts whatever, GS Pro, and this Chinese, okay whatever, it's probably English, yeah. And let's get on to the GAN Skewb, the main attraction of this box. Alright, so here we are, it looks really nice. Let's just go ahead and do some first turns. Wow, this is so nice. Oh my god, just as I say that, I get like these weird catches. It's so fast as well. Honestly, I really like the feeling of this. It's so nice and so soft. Compared to my Aoyan, which is much louder and clickier, this just feels so much nicer overall. My sledgehammers and hedge slammers flow much nicely on this compared to my Aoyan, and overall I think this is definitely an out of the box main. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do a quick solve. Okay, so I haven't done Skewb in a good while, so this might not be a great solve, but here goes. Okay, double sledge, right into U-turns. Yep, overall this performs really well, and I can't wait to do some timed solves with this. If you want to buy any of these things, be sure to get it at SpeedCubeShop and use the discount code RAM for 5% off your order, as well as a shout out at the end of my latest video. So that's about it for my unboxing of my welcome package from SpeedCubeShop. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring me and sending this puzzle out, and thank you guys so much for your constant support. I'm very happy that I've gotten to this point in my cubing career, and I cannot be more grateful for that. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.